Okay, on this problem, it's saying the paired data below consists of the test scores of 6 randomly selected students, number of hours they studied. So so this student, here, let me say this right. So this is a student who studied for 5 hours and got a 64 on the exam. And then this is a different student who studied twice as much, 10 hours, and got an 86, got a better score. And then there's a third student who studied only 4 hours and got a 69, etc. So what they're asking is find the value of the linear coefficient R. So they want us to find R. So how do you find R? Well, let's go to the notes. I'll go over here to the exam 4 notes. And where is R? Here it is, right? Testing. There it is, linear correlation coefficient. It's 5 and 6, especially on the notes. I'll bring these over and paste them in so you can see. Okay, so this is again the exam 4 notes. And the key words that help me here is linear correlation coefficient R, right? So linear correlation coefficient R. So how do you actually do it? Well, number 6 will tell us the steps. This is kind of what it means. This is what it means. They're really not asking us what it means. They just want us to find it. So what do? You put the data in L1 and L2, go to linear regression t-test. So let's do that. So this will be basically L1 here. 1, and this will be L2 down here. So put those in your calculator. I will do that right now. I'm not going to show that. You know how to do that. So I'm going to do that myself real quick here. And then when you do, after you put that in L1 and L2, you'll come on down. And let me go through the different things you'll need to see there. So putting them in my calculator right now. Let me see here. Okay, so put them into step 1. Hit in L1 and L2, then hit second and the mode quit button, and you're done to get out of that mode. Okay, and then you're going to hit, so down here in the notes again, what are you going to do next? You're going to go to the linear regression t-test. So go to stat, go over, test, go down to linear regression t-test, which is F. Let me change the color for clarity. Linear regression t-test. Getting that right here. Linear regression t-test. The HO, H1. So when you click on that, your calculator will say oh, no, I'm sorry. I just clicked on it. My calculator says X list, Y list, and this should be L1, L2, meaning these are our X values, these are our Y values, L1 and L2, you know, X here, Y here. The frequency is always 1. And that's how many, yeah, I won't bother you with that. B, so then they have the B and P thing. And then really it doesn't matter. You can choose not equal to 0. It really doesn't matter. You could choose any of these. It'll work on this one. It doesn't on other ones. And then just calculate. Hit the calculate button and enter. And I'll do that as well. And when I do, and we're looking for, and then you just go down, 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 down on your calculator. Go down, 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 and you'll find at the very bottom list R. I got 0.224. 0.224. That's the R value, like that. Yep, and there we go. And that's all they want. They want the R value of R. Put that in the box, round it to 3 places. There we go.